Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2022 Toyota Highlander with some great exterior features that include front and rear bumper sensors, 20-inch wheels, and roof rails. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we've got black Softex interior. This Highlander also comes equipped with a panoramic moonroof, all-weather floor mats, power windows, and memory seat adjustments. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right we have Toyota Safety Sense and Cruise. Down below on the left side you've got this button here for your power liftgate and your heated steering wheel button. Over in the middle on the touchscreen you've got your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection along with navigation and a backup camera. Right below that, we have our heated and ventilated seat buttons, along with your dual zone climate controls up front. Down at the bottom here, we have this storage tray along with your outlets. In our center console, if we click this button and open it, you have a wireless phone charger. And on the bottom here, we've got alternate drive and terrain modes, which show up on the dash screen. Taking a look at the second row seats, we have two fold-down cup holders. And if we take a look at the back of our center console, you'll see that these rear seats do have separate climate controls. We also have some outlets at the bottom as well. Each seat back comes with these storage pouches, and if we lift up this tab here, the seat will fold and slide forward, giving you access to the third row. This Highlander comes equipped with a power liftgate. Once that's open, you can see we have a ton of storage space with the third row seats folded up, along with this protective cargo liner. But if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the seats easily fold down. You also have a built-in JBL speaker on the left side, and to close the liftgate, you could use the button on the key fob again, but there's also an additional button on the liftgate itself. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2022 Toyota Highlander with some great interior features that include a heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats, a wireless phone charger, along with alternate drive and terrain modes. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.